Well, what makes Phillips Auto so unique is we've been around for 35 years and running strong since 1984. In that time, we've sold over 40,000 vehicles. We understand that the customer is more important than the sale. It's that easy. We sell with integrity and full transparency. All of our clients know that. Malcolm Phillips, the owner, he hand selects every single car that we represent. They're all California cars. They've been cared for, well-maintained, garage kept, professionally detailed. They go through a rigorous inspection and then they're finally presented to you. About 40% of our sales are repeat customers and referrals. And to us, there's no better compliment than to someone trust us to come back or refer their family and friends. It's so important to us. And we believe at Phillips Auto, a vehicle sold is not just a vehicle. It's a vehicle sold from Phillips Auto in Newport Beach, the best pre-owned quality Highline vehicles on the market.